friends, the time is 1:30 and we are at Shorfat Alami, and now I am planning to go Bilad Sayt. Bilad Sayt is a off-road drive. You need a four-wheel drive and the roads are very much steep, lot of bends are there. It's a very difficult and tough road. I have seen some videos on YouTube. This is the first time I am doing this adventure drive. I hope you guys will enjoy the road because I have fixed some cameras on my car which will give some lovely shots. So I wanted you guys to feel the road. So here is the GoPro. One I fix here, second will be here. Enjoy the adventure. We will have to come early because we are planning to stay night here, so we will have to come as early as possible also. So let's go. we are at almost down now. From here, Bilad Sayt is almost 2 kilometers now. This is a small village before Bilad Sayt. It is a beautiful pool here. Swimming is not allowed in this pool. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the scenic beauty of this location, and as always, as a creator, I wanted to share with you all that there is lot of hard work, time to create such videos to feel it real. So please do not forget to give me your feedbacks in the comment section, and as always, your one like means a lot for me as a creator. So please don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned. Part 2 Bilad Sayt is coming soon on my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end, and love you all. Thank you.